Hello everyone, I'm here to give you an example of parametered implementation in Obsidian. Obsidian is a knowledge database that uses markdown files. It is a very powerful application for both organizing, planning, and storing ideas. This allows you to not only document, but to also have a structure and connection between ideas. It provides lots of useful features such as the brain graph, templates, and plugins from both official and community. PARA is an acronym for projects, areas of responsibility, resources, and archives. These are the four main directories you'll store your information into. You can also define this as a universal system for organizing digital information. I'll tackle the functions as we go along. Let's start with the projects directory. This is where you'll store your projects. I've divided mine into personal and work projects. The difference between these two is in the work projects, the project's underlays in the parent directory, which is the company the project belongs. On to the next one, which is the areas directory. This is where you'll store activities that you are continuously developing. Here, you can see the areas that I am currently working on. They basically contain helpful information regarding that specific area. Resources. Here, we have some essential directories and some are often used by Obsidian features. First, we have the files. This is where you and Obsidian will store files and drag and drop files. The logs. This is where you store your daily and weekly logs, anything that is related to logging. Runbooks. This is where you store anything reusable or can be referred later on. It could be a recipe or anything that are procedural. This is very essential for being organized and efficient because it alleviates recalling information from your brain, therefore you execute with less errors and less efforts. The wiki. Here we store some definitions and other information that explains a general information about a certain topic or a keyword. This is where most backlinks connect in terms of extra information and clarity. Zettelkasten. This is where you store ideas and other ideas related to another file. It is quite identical to the logs, but more strict with ideas and findings. Archives. The archives directory is where you store information that doesn't belong to any of the three main categories mentioned. You can also store unimportant files that may be referred later on. Here are some tips on keeping Obsidian and anything digital organized. Number 1. Always group related files in a folder. Number 2. Always follow a specific file naming convention. Lastly, use templates for repetitive file structure in order to reduce human errors and inconsistency. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.